Hello everyone, my name is Prasanna Batas and my course number is SS 1363 and my section number is 50 and I'm from Texas Omen University and my major is nutrition and I'm doing minor in the health studies. And today I'm going to talk about the topic what is health education. Health education is one of the continuous dynamic plan teaching learning process throughout our life, and it will help us to live a healthy life by learning this health education. And also health education is a practice of informing the others about the many aspects of the health and need, and having into the consideration of the audience need and what intervention are appropriate to live a healthy life right now and in the future. And my choice of the major is nutrition, and I picked this major because I love providing education to different people about the health and also the nutrition. I feel like there is a connection between the health and the nutrition, because to live a healthy life we need a good food, nutrition things. To fight against the different condition, we need a good nutrition. And more topic with this I feel like it is important in our life. I also love providing a care to the patient and also the dealing with different type of disease condition, so it will have more experience in my life and more topic to care about the health. With this degree I also want to share my knowledge and my passion with the other. I think with so many of people wanting to find the result and the answer to their chronic and acute illness, why these are happening for our health, the need for other options are definitely increasing, so nutrients is a play a basic role in our life. There is a definitely a connection between health to live a healthy life. It has been used as means of your note to about basic need in our body and also for to healing process. I'm very interested in link between the nutrition and the health. Like for example, to live a healthy life, to live a healthy life, you need a good nutrition. If you eat a bad nutrition, your immunity power will be down, so you will suffer from different disease conditions. So to fight against disease in our body, we need a good nutrition, carbohydrate, fat, protein. So it will give from the health education. So health education is very important on that. And also and if we have like different disease condition like HIV, AIDS and chemotherapy, you have to maintain your body healthy to fight against this disease, because at that time your immunity power will be low and you will be suffer from attacked by the disease. These are the types of things I'm very interested to learn about this, and I have a different journey in my life with the health, because I have suffered from different diseases before, so nutrition play a very important role in my life to healing from the disease. So I believe that people taking is the first step is like the first step is health. If you are healthy, you can live a healthy life. People who want to see changes in their healthy life, they have to change their nutrition in their life. I would like to work with a different like of disease condition in the hospital, as well as a senior, older, child age group. I'm very interested to work with the HIV, AIDS and the like cancer patient. It is very challenging to work with them, so we can get extra knowledge and about that also. And it is very challenging to work with the child who are small and you are dealing with the parents too, because it is a parent's responsibility of the parent to feed there for their child. So we can guide them to how the we can guide the parents to the help the child to eat a healthy habit, and how to cook a food for the small child, how can we deal with them to live a healthy life. they might get desired result to change their behavior and the child whether it is of their life. I see myself working the parents and just coming up with you'll get the new ideas and meal planning for their child to get their kids to eat healthy and enjoying their parent how to cook for their children as well as for them and for the older people. There are many benefit of the nutrition which can help you to change your healthy life. When you go older when you go the older, your immune system will be low, so according to their age you need a different food nutrition to fight against a disease. For with this within the age when with vitamins and mineral has to be different. When we are in 2020 and we are in the 60s, so advising, consulting and teaching, I definitely see myself doing with the senior with the HIV and care about the nutrition, and I'll provide education I have gained for them to live a healthy life and to fight for their disease. And there are the things I see myself doing. I have been thought about the planning about the nutrition program in my where I have living, so it will be helpful for the people how can they can upgrade their body to fight against the disease. And I'll do the research on that which food are good for the which age group and which food are bad for their health. And with my internship, when I do the internship in my career, I can gain a more extra knowledge and I'll apply in my field, so it will be helpful for the people to gain more knowledge about the nutrition and why the health is important in our life. It is the first step to live a healthy life, to get and to get a good nutrition. Thank you.